Okay, yeah, I know this is the last drop. This is the last drop. This is the Thanksgiving candle. I think that's the name of it. So I'm finna go in here and grab it. I already went to one store and I'll fill y'all in on that. So let's go in here and grab the candle. Okay, y'all, I got the bag with the new candle, the new Bath and Body Works drop. I have that. And I finally went out and bought this. Since they doing the aromatherapy sale, I really wanted this cinnamon and sandalwood. I already smell it and I love this. This is so good. So I had to buy it. I probably should have got 2 of these, but 1 is enough. Hopefully it'll still be around for semi-annual and I could grab more, but for now this is good for me. So I did grab the Thanksgiving celebration candle. Yes, I did get this. And then let me say this, y'all. Now, the store that I normally go to, they was really pressing the one per customer. That was really enforcing that now, which was really weird because the other drops, they didn't even enforce it. I found that to be crazy. So for them to be enforcing it on this candle, a candle that I feel like is not going to sell good, it's not going to do good at all, but for some reason they enforcing it on this one. I did smell it. The scent notes in this one is mashed potatoes, side of gravy, and sage stuffing. So yes, that's what this looked like. As you do know, the label do change color, and it's just a Thanksgiving feast for as the icons on it. So let's get into what it smells like. I already smelled it actually, and I feel like it's giving me dressing, sage. That's what it's giving me. Making some dressing, that's what it is. And I just really don't feel like a lot of people is gonna run for this candle. This is most definitely one of those gag gifts. This candle is very similar to, matter of fact, I might compare the two. Last year, y'all know I did buy those DW candles. They did have like dressing, they had like mashed potatoes, they had that yucky one which was macaroni and cheese. Totally sank. I took that thing back. So I think that's what this is, one of those type of candles. It is nice. I don't know about the burn. I grabbed it because of course I am a collector, so I did grab it, and I actually got 3 of them. At first I was just gonna get 2, but I went on and I grabbed 3. The other one is wrapped, so yeah. So I got 2 to burn, 1 to collect. Yes, y'all, now this smells amazing. Oh my gosh, this is good. This is so good. If you love the cinnamon and you love sandalwood, you will love this. So I did grab just these 2 items, the spray as well as the body wash. I wish they had the oil, but they didn't. They had that oil in that jar. I passed on that because it's $18.50. You can't use a reward. It wasn't on sale, so I passed on that. As far as these candles, let me know, what do you think about this new Thanksgiving celebration candle? Have you burned it yet? Is this one that you're gonna pick up and put in your collection, or is this just gonna be a complete pass for you? This is not your type of candle. It's a waste of time. You ain't finna waste no gas on it. Leave that at the bottom. What do you think about this candle? And as y'all do see, it do come with the cream color wax. Of course, 3-wick candle, 14.5 fluid ounces, I think. 14.5 ounce candle, of course. So yeah, let me know, what do you think about that candle, and how many of these candles are you going to buy, or is it just a pass? So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms, use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. All that stuff do help me. Also hit the notification bell. Did I just say that? I don't know, but hit the notification bell, and then I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.